Arumiki Oluwatosi Joseph with matric number 822701. I'm here to talk on the topic Artificial Intelligence Natural Language Processing. Natural language processing is a field in artificial intelligence that is related to the interaction between human language and the computer system. The natural language processing application makes it easier for the computer system to understand the human languages. And also, it is important to note that this natural language processing is a very important technique in artificial intelligence. There are two components of natural language processing. We have the natural language understanding and also the natural language generation. The natural language understanding involves language processing, that is how we process the languages, and also it analyzes and extracts important terms from the human language using language processing techniques. The second advantage of this natural language understanding is that it plays an important role in enabling the computer system to understand the language grammar. Now we'll move to the second component, which is the natural language generation. Just like the name natural language generation, that is generating human language. It has to do with predicting, planning grammar. It has to do with predicting, planning the grammar, and also it has to do with how sentences are being constructed. And it is very important to understand this concept, how the sentences are being constructed. Natural language processing splits longer sentences into smaller parts. Now we have different steps involved in the natural language processing. We have the lexical analysis, we have the syntactic analysis, we have the semantic analysis, and the linguistic analysis. Nowadays, there are applications of natural language processes in the real world. These applications make use of natural language processing, and examples of these applications are the search engine. When we say the search engine, we're talking about the Google, the Yahoo, the Bing, etc. And also we have the natural language assistants, that is the Apple Siri. And also the last one is the translation system. The translation system is one in which we are all familiar with today. It is an example of this translation system is the Google Translator. Now, with all this, in conclusion, what I want to say is that the natural language processing helps the computer system to understand the human language, just like in the case whereby we want to build a robot. Now, in order for us to give the robot an instruction, it needs to understand the language we are speaking to it. Now, with this natural language processing, we'll be able to process the human language to the robot, and the robot will be able to carry out our instructions. Thank you.